Hello, my name's Dr. Shirley and I'm the Director of Science here at the Malling School, and I'm going to be talking to you about the homework for our Year 7 students. So the purpose of the homework is to support students in developing their knowledge of science. So what we want is the students to remember more over a longer period of time. So from the start of the school year, each week, students will be given a set of recall questions and answers of the key knowledge we've identified that we want the students to learn. And so this is what it's going to look like. The students will have approximately 10 question and answers to learn each week, and this will be linked to what they've been covering in class at that time. And you can see the students will be able to fold that in half and be able to quiz themselves, but also you'd be able to support your student by quizzing them as well using this. Students will be set a really short Teams quiz that will check their understanding of the knowledge that we've asked for them to learn. But also teachers will be using these same questions in lesson time, for example, in their low stakes tests at the start of lessons, really to strengthen the students' retrieval of this key knowledge. Then from the beginning of term 2, in addition to these question and answers that we will set them each week to learn, students will complete a weekly goal on TMS. TMS is an online learning programme that works on the principle of little and often. So studies have shown that people learn more when they work for concentrated short bursts every day, frequently switching between topics and returning to them at strategically timed intervals. We call these techniques interleaving and spacing. So TMS engages the students through frequent quizzing and instant feedback, which is proven to be the most effective way to embed knowledge. So whereas our sets of recall questions and answers linked to what is being learned in the class at that time, TMS tailors the programme to the individual student. So over time, the programme learns the strengths and areas for development of the student, and students are then targeted quizzes to improve their areas for development, while still revisiting topics that have been a strength to ensure that students experience plenty of success whilst using the programme. So as you can see on our layout for the app, there's a bar across the top there that sets out the weekly goal. So students have to complete that weekly goal. Now, ideally, they would complete that weekly goal across a minimum of 4 days. However, students are able to complete the weekly goal in fewer days if needed. The bar just needs to be completed to 100% by the end of the week. Now, for TMS to be most effective at targeting quizzes to an individual student, students really want to be aiming for an accuracy of 60% or above.